some information for you. Right, here's 380,005 going to Glasgow Central. And that'll be calling at Hawkhead, Crookston, Dumbreck and Glasgow Central. And now I've got to fill another 50 minutes to wait. Yippee. Hopefully it's not another 380. And we've got something different for a change, it's a 320. Thanks for the horn. 320, 418. It's a fair old dirty 320, but I'll go with that. And it is quite empty. Just had a nice wee chat with the driver there. Warning, he's gonna give me a wee tone when departing, so it'll be quite loud. Here he goes. Sorry that I can't keep the camera still, it's quite cold out here. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, they're just beautiful, listen to it. .320, 418, and that's next stop will be Hawkhead, then Crookston, Dumbreck, and then finally Glasgow Central.